Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 niches that I found that are starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so let's get into the content of the video. So before I share with you the 3 niches, I just want to share with you a couple niches that you should probably stay away from. Oh, I got a sale. So there's a couple niches that are trending right now. Let me see if I can find them real quick. So one is what's going on in Maui. So you've probably heard about the fires that are happening in Maui. You know, you want to stay away from doing designs like this, Maui Strong, Pray for Maui, things like that. That is against Amazon's terms of service, profiting off of human tragedy. So I would avoid that. And then there's another one that I also found that is starting to trend, which is this one right here. It's from a country song. So I'm wearing Tennessee orange for him. We're going to see that there's another one down here, right here. I'm wearing Tennessee orange for him. So if you do a little research on this, you'll see that this is actually from a country song. You want to stay away from song lyrics that will also get you in trouble quickly with Amazon. So I just want to share with you those 2 niches. But now let's get into the trending niches. So I have 3. 2 of them are Halloween niches and one is a political niche. So the first one, the Halloween one, is I can be scary but only periodically. And we're going to see there's only 52 results. I can't go to the 3rd page because there isn't one. So we're going to see very low in competition. But this is what some of the designs look like right here. And if you've been on Merch by Amazon, you know that anytime, not anytime, but a lot of the time when people use these periodic tables and cross niche it with any type of niche, like Halloween, for example, they tend to do very well. Now, currently, there's not any BSRs on any of them except for this one right here. But it was uploaded a couple years ago, but the majority of all of these are just uploaded just recently. But like I said, usually these type of designs do very well where you cross niche it periodically with any type of niche. So this is what the designs look like. Now I went ahead and actually designed my own. You can find these actually on Creative Fabrica. I have a link in the description, so if you want to go that way. But I actually designed my own. I'll show you the one I made real quick. Let's see, where is it? This one right here. So, you know, I decided to not go with scary. I decided to go with spooky instead. But you can see, you know, I got this font from Creative Fabrica and just made the design myself. So we'll see if it can get any sales. But I just want to show you my design skills because I was actually pretty proud of it. Usually I don't really make my designs. I just rather get them from Creative Fabrica. But I thought I did a pretty good job on this one, you know, with a little spider web. Kind of give it like a little distressed look. What do you guys think? Comment below if you guys think that's a good design. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a little more look into this niche. So if we go to test to see if this is trademark, I can be scared but only periodically. Hit enter. We're going to see that nothing pops up. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 926 results for this phrase right here. Etsy is a great spot for Halloween shirts during Halloween season. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see there's only 11 results, so it could be a good opportunity. Now, when you're writing your keywords, you're probably going to want to focus on like chemistry teacher, you know, because these periodic tables are usually targeted towards that type of teacher. So consider adding in that keyword to your title. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see, I don't think I even saw any, so this would be a good spot. Oh, right here. So we can see there's only one design on TeePublic, so that could be a good option for us as well. So that's the first niche that I have for you guys. And then the next trending Halloween niche that I found for you guys is I ghost people all year round. If you don't know what ghosting is, it's basically like when you're in a relationship and you basically just leave your boyfriend or your girlfriend or wife or husband and you don't even say anything. You just move to like a different town, different city, different country, and you don't even like leave a text or a message or say anything to them. You just ghost them, basically, is what it's called. And so that is why people are making designs with this type of phrase. We're going to see there's only 593 results. If I go to the 3rd page, we're going to see that there's still only 593 results, so it's low in competition. And I think this is going to be a good one because it's a really good play on words. You know, these type of funny play on word designs tend to sell very well on Merch by Amazon. So here we can see what some of the designs look like. We saw last year that this style with the little kind of groovy ghost with this checkered background tends to sell well. Now, none of them don't really have any BSRs yet, but I have a good feeling that they will start to pick up as we get closer to Halloween. If we go to test, we're going to see I Ghost People All Year Round is not trademarked, at least at the time of this recording. Let me try that again. There we go. And one thing that kind of popped up to my head when I was actually just searching for this niche is you can also, because of the niche that I showed you before, with the one about the periodic table, it just popped into my head. An idea is, you know, I ghost people, but only periodically. So that could be another option for the first niche that I just showed you. But getting back to this niche right here, if we go to Etsy, we're going to see I Ghost People All Year Round only has 1,500 results. Etsy is another place where you can get designs. So, you know, you can actually purchase this PNG files. You just have to check in the description, or you can just reach out to the Etsy seller and ask them if it is allowed for commercial use for print-on-demand sites. Some of them do allow it, some of them don't. That's why you have to check. And if we go to Redbubble, we're going to see, I'm not too sure why it says mature content on these ones, but we're going to see there's only 33 results for I Ghost People All Year Round. Looks good on stickers. I always recommend stickers for the thumbnails on Redbubble. And then if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see what some of the other designs look like. So that is the second niche that I have for you guys. It is I Ghost People All Year Round. And then the third trending niche that I have for you is in the political niche. This is one of my favorite niches to design for and upload onto Merch by Amazon. Just had good success with the political niche. So the phrase is anyone under 70. So here we're going to see that the competition for this phrase is only 654 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see there's also only 654 results. This is what some of the designs look right here. So if I scroll down, we're going to see anyone under 70. Now the reason this is trending is because it's probably going to be Trump against Biden again, and people are basically just kind of like I think like exhausted, you know, of those two candidates. Now me personally, I don't live in the States anymore. I left 18 years ago. But, you know, they just think both of the candidates are just too old. And so here we're going to see what some of the designs look like. And these were just uploaded like a week ago, maybe 5 days ago. Let's see what today's the 14th. So yeah, so 5, 6, 7 days ago. And we're going to see they have pretty good BSRs actually. You know, this is really easy to design for as well. If we scroll down a little bit more, we're going to see some more of these designs. Literally anyone under 70 just uploaded. Really good BSR. Now you don't have to go 70, you can go 80 as well. Now, that's another option. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, anyone under 70, hit enter, nothing pops up. The competition on Etsy is very little, 594 results. You can, like I said, you can also get some PNG files. Just check to see, like, these look pretty good right here. Probably get some sales using these. You just have to check, and look, they're only 85 cents for a bundle like that. That's pretty good. So again, you just have to check in the description or message the seller to see if this is allowed for print on demand. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see only 15 results. And what's cool about this niche is that, you know, usually a trending niche will only trend for like maybe like a month, 2 months max, for example, you know, but this niche will trend all the way until, you know, election, which is going to be November of next year. So this could make you sales for basically the next 12, 13 months. So that's pretty cool. This is a good design right here with the sunglasses like this. That tends to sell well. You can get like a messy bun, anything to do with like a flag is going to work well. If we go to TeePublic, we're going to see what some of the other designs look like. So that is the third niche that I have for you. If you guys are looking for like more, or if you're looking for places where you can find graphics, designs, I definitely recommend Create a Fabrica. There's a link in my description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But Create a Fabrica gives you the best bang for your buck. It's only $4.99, and you get so much value. You know, you get fonts, graphics, you get AI if you're into doing AI designs. You also get courses so you can learn. They have a whole POD section, and they offer bundles. So if you're interested, take a look. The link is in the description. And if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, or if you're new to Merch by Amazon, I have a couple courses that I would recommend that you check out. It's a Redbubble course and a Merch by Amazon course. Both of these courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. They are uploaded on Udemy, so if you're not satisfied with them, you can actually get your money back. But check them out. Like I said, they're good for beginners, or if you're just looking to get some guidance. Links are right here in the description and in the pinned comment. If we look at my sales from yesterday on Merch, had a pretty good day. Did 9 sales, about $60. And one thing that I've been kind of preaching lately on the channel is to price high. We're going to see here, like, everything, or not everything, but for the most part, I'm pretty much putting everything at $22.99, even $24.99. Like this one right here, where you see 0.45, I just got a sale on that today, and I just bumped it up to $24.99, especially on evergreen designs. If it's like a trending design, then I'll probably maybe go a little lower. But I like to price high on my evergreen designs. So like this one right here, 3 sales, 21 bucks. Here we're going to see 1 sale, 7 bucks, because it gives you a nice royalty when you sell at $22.99. It gives you $7. If you sell at $24.99, I believe it gives you $8.50 or somewhere around there. We're going to see a lot of my designs, I'm getting that $7 royalty, which is really nice, because then you don't have to sell like 20 shirts in a day to make a lot of money. And if you can average 60 bucks a day, that is close to $2,000 a month. And I don't know where you guys live, but $2,000 a month for me in Mexico is really good. I basically need to make like $3 grand a month. To have a wife and a kid, got to pay for that stuff. But like I said, the point I'm trying to make here, don't be afraid to raise your prices. If the people like the design, they will still purchase the product, or that is at least my belief. All right, so if you're interested in learning how I get sales like this, check out the course in the description. Link will also be in the pinned comment. That is going to be it for today. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just talking about like trending niches, evergreen niches that are kind of like outside of the box. I got some video ideas coming up for this week, so keep an eye out. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great start to the week, everyone. Bye-bye.